you want to set up an Octolapse? Or maybe you just want to 3D print wirelessly? Well, you can with OctoPi. Nope. That's it. Now, come on. Let me show you how to set it up. First, hardware. You'll need a Raspberry Pi Model 3B and up. Next, you'll need an SD card. I use a 32GB just to be safe. Now, obviously, you'll need a power cable, but not just any block will work. Fast charging blocks should work, but if not, you need the output to be at least 5 volts and 2 amps. And just about any webcam will work. And finally, you'll need a USB cable to connect to the printer. Oh yeah, you'll need a 3D printer for this. Did I forget to say that? Anyway, shove that SD card into a computer, and if you haven't already, download the Raspberry Pi Imager, link in the description, and run it. Select OctoPi from Choose OS, and from Storage, select your SD card. Then come over here and click the gear. Set your host name, and remember it. Or just make it OctoPi. Enable SSH and make sure to keep your username Pi, but choose your own password. Now under Configure Wireless LAN, put your Wi-Fi's name and password. Double check that they're right because that can cause you a lot of headaches. Hit right, and when it's done, remove the SD card. It's ready for the Pi. After that's in, plug up the webcam and power on the Pi. Open your browser and type in the host name you chose earlier, .local. And you're done.